Welcome to ChurchPlus YouTube channel, and thank you for joining us today. This is the concluding part of a step-by-step guide on how to effectively follow up with first-timer. In this section, we will focus on how to submit a report properly regarding the assigned follow-up activities for first-timers. With the Can Access First-Timers role, the follow-up person can access and follow up on all first-timers assigned to them, providing real-time feedback using the software. To present our report, we need to follow certain steps. Access the follow-up page by logging in with the username and password given by the admin. Click on People. Click First Timer. Once the page loads, scroll down to the First Timer table and click on the name of the first timer you are following up once the page opens. Click on the log icon and choose the task assigned. The system already understands who you are trying to connect with. Select the outcome of the task. Write your report and make it brief but detailed. Click on Save button. Once this is done, the Activity tab is updated automatically. It is the responsibility of the follow-up person to guide first-timers through the discipleship phase, progressively moving them from one level to the next. You can also pause a first-timer's activity if he or she is not around and make it active once they returned. After a first-timer graduates, you can now convert to a full member by clicking on Convert to Full Member button. Choose Full Member as the membership category. Click on the Proceed button. The first-timer receives a congratulatory message upon becoming a full member and is automatically moved from the first-timer database to the full member database. With this tool, you can significantly improve the first-timer retention rate of your church by successfully following up with them. I hope you have learned something. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video and hit the subscribe button. For any questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching and bye for now.